Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check software update information on Android phone. Okay, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll your screen until you find the software update option. Tap on the software update option. Then here you can check your software update information, and as you can see that the last update was installed on June 2, 2023. This is the last update on my phone, and if you want to download and install the software update, you can tap on download and install right here. If the software update is available, it will appear right here, and just wait for a moment. It's still checking for updates. Okay, and as you can see that my software is up to date, and we just need to go back. Then you can also activate the auto download update. Download software update automatically when connected to a Wi-Fi network. You just need to click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can check software update information on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.